Feeling like you need a better way to manage your money, but don't know where to start? Maybe you've heard of Monzo, but the idea of setting up a new bank account feels a little daunting. Don't worry, you're not alone, and the good news is, getting started with Monzo is surprisingly quick and simple. In fact, you can have a new account set up and ready to use in about 10 minutes. Today, we're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, from downloading the app to logging in and activating your brand new card. First things first, you'll need a smartphone. Monzo is a bank that lives on your phone, so it all starts with the app. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Monzo. Download and install the app, it's free. Once it's downloaded, open it up. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen and a button to get started. Tap that, and the app will guide you through the sign-up process. This is where you'll be asked for some basic information: your name, UK residential address, email address, and phone number. Make sure the email and phone number are ones you have easy access to, as they'll be used for verification. Next, Monzo will ask you to verify your identity. This is a standard and essential step for any regulated bank. You'll be prompted to take a photo of a valid form of ID, like a passport or UK driving license, and then a quick selfie video. The app will give you simple instructions to follow, like turning your head or saying a few words. This is all done to confirm that you are who you say you are, keeping your money and account secure. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to choose your account. Monzo offers a few different options, including their free personal account. For most people, the free account is perfect to start with, and you can always upgrade later if you need extra features. And that's it for the initial setup. Monzo will send your new, hot coral card out in the post. While you wait for it to arrive, you can add your new virtual card details to Apple Pay or Google Pay and start using it right away. When your physical card lands on your doorstep, the final step is to activate it. Open the Monzo app, tap the Home button, and you should see a prompt to activate my card. Tap that, enter your new card's details, and you're good to go. You're officially a Monzo customer. You can now start exploring all the features, from setting up spending budgets with pots to getting instant notifications every time you spend. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.